Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick repair. This pair of jeans has a bit of a hole in it, so the plan will be to put some iron-on interfacing underneath the back of it, and then using one of the matching threads, or as near to thread as I can, we'll be darning the patch, and probably a little bit on this other side as well, because this side is going to go too. So I'm going to get my bit of interfacing, and then we will thread up my sewing machine with a navy, probably a dark navy, and then from there we will start to sew. Well, first video and it failed. So what I have done, and I'll show you a little bit again, I installed the interfacing on the inside on our trousers. That was ironed on, and then as you can see I have actually stitched. So my underside has a grey thread on, and my main thread was a navy blue on the top. And then what we did is we set it up on the machine, and following the grain lines, I'll do a little bit extra just to show you, because unfortunately my video didn't record. So what we did was, once we've made sure that there's nothing underneath our fabrics other than what we started, just with a straight stitch, we're going to follow the grain on the trousers and then reverse, follow forward, reverse, follow forward, reverse. And we do that all the way across the trousers. All the way over the hole. And you just keep going backwards and forwards along the grain until you're satisfied that you've covered all of the damage. And there you can see we've gone over. I've got a thread stuck in there now, so I'll just take out my loose thread, and you can see then the hole is patched. And we did exactly the same on the other side. We've gone up and down, up and down, up and down to give some strength to the other side. In fact, I might just do this little bit here where there's more stretch on the trouser while we're actually at the machine. Okay, so with the grey on the background and the navy on the front, so keeping my thread out of the way, and just come forward more. Make sure you've not got anything stuck underneath, and then just backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Okay, when you think you've covered enough, just cut off your threads. Front and back. And that's it, job done. Hopefully this time I managed to show it on video. Okay, so there are our trousers. No longer full of holes. Okay, thanks for watching.